I am Garot VanderPas. I am the Vice President of Truckload Operations here at Veriha Trucking. I've been in transportation for about 15 years. I started at Schneider for 2 years doing inside sales, then moved over to paper transport for about 9 years, and then recently has been on the shipper side delivering just-in-time fresh and frozen food for the last 3.5 years before joining this company and being able to provide some of my experiences to Veriha and taking them to the next level. The thing I like best about working in transportation is honestly the people. I enjoy building the relationships, connecting people, whether it be the driver to the customer, and understanding that every day is going to be a little bit different and it's going to be a little bit challenging, but being able to reflect at the end of the day and understanding that at the end of the day it was people helping people, bring solutions together is something that really just resonates with me. My favorite fundamental is assume positive intent. I don't think anyone shows up or wakes up any morning and thinks that they're going to intentionally try to do a bad job or intentionally disrupt business. So being able to have the perspective and put the lens in front of your face that the person that you're dealing with is giving it their all will help go a long way and really kind of help shape your day to be positive. Something that people should know about me is just that I feel like I'm a genuinely nice guy. I like to hear people out. I like to solve problems with them and really hear them out and try to create a roadmap to a solution for everyone involved that works for everyone and that it's not just a my way or the highway type of situation. To me, being on Veriha's leadership team means that I have an opportunity to have a voice for everyone in the organization to really drive change and to drive growth, to hear people out, understand what our problems are, and help provide great solutions. If I could have any superhuman power, it would be to go back in time. I have always had this fascination for history, and I think being able to go back in time and relive events would be pretty spectacular. If I could only eat one food for the rest of my life, it would definitely be pizza. I think there's a wide combination of flavors you can put on, and I'm always down for pizza. My favorite thing to do outside of work is hanging out with my family, hanging out with my wife and daughter, going to the zoo, going to the wildlife sanctuary down in Green Bay, really just seeing life through my daughter's eyes and all the excitement that she brings to our lives. And then I also like to work out. I've done CrossFit for about 15 years as well. So something that kind of helps keep me balanced and keep me active in my everyday life. I have 2 interesting random facts about me. One is that I played college football. And my second one would be that I actually interned with the Green Bay Packers in 2010 during their Super Bowl championship season. Right or left Twix bar? The answer is both, yes. Favorite ice cream flavor would have to be Oreo cheesecake from Culver's. I have a really bad sweet tooth, so it just hits all the different levels of sweet, from the savory of the cheesecake and the sweetness of the Oreo and the custard. That would be right.